Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you all Waynetech caches in Iceberg Lounge for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So basically what you'll need to do is go right here and just basically use your grappler, then jump it, then do parkour right here, and you'll need to go right here into this little tunnel. After that, you'll see right here on the left side the Waynetech cache. So just pick it up. Okay, so when you reach this Falcon's aisle, what you'll need to do is just go right here to the left and then go to this tunnel. And now what you'll need to do is take your Gordon and just gum it up, these gears, then plug the electricity. So just pick up this one and just pick up right here. Okay, and now just break this and you'll take the cache. For the cache, what you'll need to do is just go right here down the slide and go and climb right here, and basically you'll find a Warfare. So right here you have this blue roller. Just go inside it and open, and you'll get the cache.
Just the kind of tech I need.
Okay, now we have 3 out of 5. And you'll see that right here we have the Waynetech, but right here we can use the vent, just go down, use again, and open tech right here.
Yeah, too loud for me, but Jim should be able to turn these. Sure, it's
Now just go right here and break this lock. Now use this trampoline, just climb it up, and you'll find another bay cache.